Hi guys, welcome to my blog.
Good morning, Philippines!
What we're doing today is we're just bored, so we're gonna take a ride around. You know, we've lived here for what, I don't know, 6-7 years already, and we really don't spend much time going around this area. Most of the time because I was working day and night and I wasn't here, and now just don't seem to have the desire. So we don't know what's really around here aside from wineries and apple orchards, but you know, it seemed like a good day to drive around and take a look. Of course, mine's all closed because my wife don't like to keep the AC on. She's a little crazy, so I have to turn the AC vents on because I need to adjust my mirror because I'm not as short as my wife. I either adjust the mirror or I drive like this. She's not laughing. She don't think it's very funny. Some work, new roof. All new roof on the house. Here you're seeing, this is basically what we live in. It's all apple trees.
Drive
trees
careful, oy, ginoo ko.
vineyards, grapevines. And we got little lakes everywhere. Unfortunately, we don't actually have our own, but there seem to be a lot around, but they're small. You see the mountain? If my wife turned the camera, you can see it.
Just drive careful, please.
Ah, fine. I'm talking to the camera. Now you can't see it because you waited too long. Windy, weird roads. Nothing like a city, guys. It's much nicer, much calmer, much more relaxed.
There's more houses
It's also
in here.
much further away from any kind of work. I can borrow his thing. Okay.
And there's any road here.
Yeah.
Drive careful because in my car on the other side.
There's a sharp
Ala, this is Ambito here. This is
There's
what.
a sharp left here. This is what happens when my wife's been here forever and never goes anywhere except to the store. This is private property there. This is a private road.
I know
That's
there's a big house
back
over there.
Yeah, big house. Nice house back there. This is a private
What?
road. Huh?
Ala, this is ending, han. This is private road now. Nice house, ano.
He's got a truck parked right in the driveway. There's a lot of areas that neighbors be bitching for that.
Huh?
Nice truck. Nice tree. Nice boat for sale. I'm just looking at the boat that's for sale. Assuming you got to see that. There's a nice one down that line. I'm gonna pull over there and see if they have a price on it.
Correct. Because you wanna buy it.
But if it was cheap, I would love to.
You're right.
We just entered a town where the population of the town is 43 people. And I think everybody in the town has got the same last name. I should tell you something. It's like a family-owned town. really specific in mind. We're just going wherever. I guess we're gonna go this way. So we don't know where we're going. We're just going. Direction. Left or right?
Over there.
Left. Okay. Left it is.
See, we don't even know where we are, guys.
We don't know where we are, guys. We're just taking side roads, and every little side road, just we pick a direction and keep going.
Oh, it's 300 over there, huh?
Eventually, we got a GPS, so we can always get back. That's not a problem. Oh, so now we're up on a main road here. So which one? That's a nice house.
Same to right here. So this is a different route now. Look, this is hard. So you think.
So I think this is a dead end, and that one's up. So that was a little sketchy.
Really tiny here. Oh, nice house over here. Oh. Nice house. School bus ahead. Oh, nice house here. Guess you have to slowly here
Christmas lights up.
because might have kids here, honey. So where are you going?
Well, microwave. Won't do any good like that. Nice chair. Okay. Nice trailer.
There is a person standing in the street. Can you see that lady?
Waiting for her Amazon delivery. So she's going across the street to get her mail.
Nice houses over here, hon.
Yeah.
Right? I like that dark body apply in the porch. Oh, nice house here. Slow down. This one right here. Oh my God, it's really private, hon. They really did put a lot of trees and fountain.
And private.
What's up? Eh?
Yes, sir.
Naku. Nice, eh? Okay. Stop sign and left.
Alright guys, there was nothing exciting around, but it was still a nice day to drive around the area. And before we go home, we're going to stop, we're going to get pizza, and when we get home, I will get out and pick up the garbage pails, and Marianne can drive it to the
Oh,
garage.
for the garbage.
Well, you're in a trash can, no garbage in a trash, it's not ladylike.
Seriously?
Yeah, it doesn't work.
Huh? Seriously?
Yeah,
No, Han,
that's
seriously?
how it works.
No, you're like...
Not ladylike.
What, no, Han, seriously now, the people that have a dress can't be carry garbage? Seriously?
No. Gotta put on your jeans before you get to garbage.
Seriously, honey, you're
That's
being
it.
ridiculous.
That's the
Slowly,
rule.
right? That's the rule.
That's the rule.
What kind of pizza you getting? No, you don't know, right? I don't even
I
know.
don't know.
Oh, you're not getting pizza, you're getting a...
Hero. I don't know what you want.
Hero.
Hero you want. Maybe I'll stop at the place and ask them what the hell's the story with my car.
Oh, yeah, you should go.
What time is it? It's early enough.
Still early.
Alright guys, we finished wandering around, so we stopped. We got a couple of Heroes. And sugary bread. So my wife likes sugary bread. It's dough with sugar.
And what is this drink
And
you got?
iced
Arizona?
tea there. Yeah. Half iced tea and half lemonade.
So I guess this is our dinner, and then I'm gonna have snacks with this right now. Because,
Pretty much.
Yep. So, bye-bye to your vlog.
Bye, guys. See you next time, guys. Thanks for watching. I'm sorry it was so boring.
He is boring, guys.
Yeah, pretty much.
Bye.